Solve the square root of 6x plus 13 equals x plus 3. To solve this radical equation, we need to square both sides. So the left-hand side squared, right-hand side squared. Simplifying the left-hand side, when we square a square root, we just get the radicand, 6x plus 13. On the right-hand side, we're squaring a binomial. So it's the first term squared plus twice the product of the two terms plus the second term squared. Simplifying next, we have 6x plus 13 equals x squared plus 6x plus 9. Subtracting 6x from both sides and subtracting 13 from both sides, we have 0 equals x squared, and then 6x minus 6x is 0. 9 minus 13 is minus 4. We can factor the right-hand side. It's the product of a sum and difference, x plus 2 times x minus 2. And now use the principle of zero products and write it as x plus 2 equals 0 or x minus 2 equals 0. Solving on this side, we subtract 2 from each side to get x equals negative 2. Or here to solve, we add 2 to both sides to get x equals 2. If you were to check those answers, they both in fact work. And so we say the solution is, or I should say, I'm sorry, the solutions are negative 2 and 2.